Hello, I'm Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at the idea of difference, which is all about subtraction and taking away. The resources you will need today: linking cubes, dominoes, several sets, 0 to 6 cards, several sets for that too, 0 to 11 cards, several sets of them as well, 1 to 12 dice, several, and the different cards that you can see at the end of this video. Mental learning objective. I understand how to take away. I can use the words about taking away. Mental learning task. Today you're going to learn about something called difference. Say it together. 3, 2, 1. Difference. This is the difference between two numbers. Like the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. The difference between 2 and 5 is 3. Because 5 take away 2 makes 3. Here are two towers. What can you tell me about the towers? Which tower has fewer cubes? The yellow one or the red one? Well done. The red one has fewer cubes. Which tower has more cubes? Well done. You are right. It is the yellow one has more cubes. Which tower has more cubes? The purple or the green? The purple one has 5 cubes. The green has 3. So the purple has more cubes. How many more has the blue tower than the green tower? It has 2 more than the green tower. How many less has the green tower? The green tower has 2 less. So it has a difference of 2. What is the difference between them? It is a difference of 2. 1, 2. What does difference between mean in maths? The difference is in the numbers. When we were looking at the towers, we were talking about the difference in numbers, not the difference in colour or shape or volume. It is all to do with the numbers. How could we make them the same? What would I need to add? I would need to add 2. What is the difference between these two towers? Is there any difference? There is no mass difference between them. One is purple, one is yellow. But they are the same. They both have 4 blocks each. I understand how to take away. I can use the words about taking away. Here's my main learning objective. I can explore the idea of difference as subtraction. My main learning task. Today we're going to be working in 4 groups. Group 1 does the simplest work. Group 2, next simplest. Group 3, second hardest. Group 4, rocket scientists. Here we go. Group 1. Work in pairs. One pupil makes a tower of cubes from 1 to 10 cubes. Work in pairs. 1 to 10 cubes. The other pupil chooses from the difference cards. Build a tower bigger or smaller than the first tower by what it says on the card. So if it says +2, you take your tower and you build it +2. Next simplest. Pupils work in pairs and spread a set of dominoes on the table and put a pile of 0 to 6 cards face down. Pick a card. Read the number. Find the domino with a difference of that size. So, if your number is 4, you would need to find something like a 6 and a 2 domino, 6-2 domino, because in 6 take away 2 makes 4. Second hardest. Pupils play in pairs. Each pupil has a number card 0 to 11 spread out in front of them. They take turns in throwing the 2 1 to 12 dice. Find the difference between the numbers on the dice. Turn over the cards showing that difference. Winner is the first to use up all their cards during the game. Group 4, hardest work. Pupils can work as individuals or as pairs. Write a number at each corner and work out the difference between them. For example, you could write 200 and 100 here. Keep working out the differences at each midpoint. So the difference you would write in the middle. The difference you'd write in the middle here for each corner. So 200, 100, you'd write 50 here. 100, 80, you would write 20 here. And then you'd take those as takeaways. Work until you either 0 on all 4 sides or the same set of numbers each time. Main learning objective. I can explore the idea of difference as subtraction. My plenary. Ready? Invite pupils to give an example of what they have been working on. Pause the video as they explain it to you. Can you explain it? Did you see any patterns? Did the pattern help you check you had got all the answers right? Pause the video and ask them to explain their work. These were the difference cards. So, we can also play this game now. If the teacher thinks of a number and says, my answer is a difference of 2 and my number is 5, what are the two numbers with a difference of 2 which make 5? For example, 3 and 2. They have a difference of 1. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then press the like button below it. Please subscribe to my channel to know when I will be uploading my next video. And you also can press the notification bell so that you are always informed when I upload a new maths lesson, video or game. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!